Well, hindi ako aware doon, but ang tinanong ko si Senator Ligata, kasi siya naman yung kaharap ni Congressman Andaya, and she assured me na walang ganong submission ang mga senador after the BICAM. Now, para lang malinaw, hingan natin si Congressman Andaya ng sapat na pruweba, even a certain degree of proof na talagang may mga senador nagsubmit pa o nag-itemize pa after the ratification of the BICAM report, then sabi ko, I'll join him in denouncing the practice, because it is not only in violation of our legislative process, kundi violation mismo ng saligang batas.